After 4 days of driving and not breaking into anyone's tiny homes, we were finally on the last leg of the trip, which was actually getting to our family.
And there was just one minor hurdle. Beth wrote minor in the description, but I'm going to sub that out for major. There was one major hurdle. So this morning I was texting with my cousin who lives in Virginia, and we were talking about the last leg of the trip, which is getting to them, which was about an hour and 40 minutes away. And I don't know how it came up, but somehow underwater tunnels came up, and I said, "Excuse me, what?" I immediately felt hot, panicky, anxious, and she said, "It's no big deal. I hate the ocean, and being underwater is literally my worst fear." And now we're gonna take a truck and trailer underwater in a tunnel that's closed in and could collapse. Then I thought it would be good to watch a YouTube video about it, thinking, maybe it's not that terrible. Maybe I can mentally prepare myself. It was the worst 5 minutes and 11 seconds of my entire life.
She has a bit of a flair for the dramatics.
I have to drive through that today. I know people will think this is dramatic, and those are the people who will be eaten by sharks in the ocean. And I probably won't have emotional support because she's working. Maybe it's good. I think if I didn't know, I would have stopped all of traffic, started protesting and trying to explain to people that they were driving underwater. So maybe this is a good thing.
We never mentioned how Courtney's the external processor.
So if we die in a tunnel underwater that collapses in our truck and trailer, it's been good knowing you all.
100% oblivious to the panic attack happening next to me.
It's fucking happening. I'm very scared.
Do you need me to do it?
No, I just have to do it. It's just so scary. And I know logically that it's probably fine, but I hate the ocean so much.
Well, we're not going in the ocean.
We're going through the ocean.
And this lane ends at a mile, though.
Okay, I'll get over. The semi's not letting me over. Please don't be an asshole, sir. I'm very frightened. I see water.
It's okay. We're above it.
Okay. Everything's fine. A shark is not gonna knock out the wall. We're not gonna drown. This is very serious. Why are you laughing? Last exit before tunnel. Does that mean get off?
No.
Everything's fine.
You're doing great.
There are whales and sharks in the ocean that are bigger than the entire size of the tunnel. What if one of them flips their tail and knocks a hole in it?
I don't believe that they fit in this particular section of water.
Ah!
It's just gonna be just like another tunnel.
I've never driven through a tunnel.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I might throw up.
We're just gonna stay right. Maintain your speed in the tunnel.
Why are people kayaking? They're sharks. When I'm scared, I close my eyes and
Don't
I can't
close your
my
eyes.
eyes. Oh my god.
Okay,
Oh my god.
everything's fine.
Everything is
Do
not fine.
Do not
We're
stop.
driving into the ocean.
We're not driving into it.
Yeah, we are.
Don't hit the brake.
I have to. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna throw up really
Everything's
hard.
fine. Everything's fine. It's like a club. It's like Halloween tunnels.
Don't you dare use Halloween in this situation. It's very confusing in here. I can't tell
It's just a lane.
what's happening.
There-
I should use my
there's
brakes.
lanes.
I'm gonna use my brakes. I feel really nauseous. Is that the sound of the ocean?
No, that's the sound of other cars.
Okay. I'm at a solid 43 and that's the best I can do. I'm
Okay.
sure people understand.
It's gonna be done after this. We're going on the ascent. We're going up after this.
Yeah.
We're gonna climb back up to land.
We should have always stay on land.
We are. Well,
Always.
we're on cement land, but look at
Oh, I see the light.
that's not so bad. That wasn't 5 miles. Just don't swerve right now.
Swerve where?
I don't know. I don't know what you would do in an anxiety situation.
I'm not sure
Yeah.
either. It feels like throw up and crying.
Okay. Well, we cried already, so let's just not throw up. We're almost there. No whales, no sharks. Bingo bango. You made it. I gotta edit this track. Can I do
Oh,
that?
yeah.
Okay.